the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the...
What up YouTube, you know what it is, you know who it is. When I get 400 horses, I'ma do this, I'ma do that. I'ma do this, when I do this. Look at all this heat up here. You got... Alright, if you didn't know, now you know.
One, two, three. Look at the way I'm gonna go. Give me your beat.
Metal Gang, thank y'all for tuning in. If you didn't know, now you know. What up, YouTube? You know what it is. You know who it is. It's Agenda. It's Agenda 31 to be exact. If you didn't know, now you know. We're finna head over here to this Father's Day car show. You did. So here on Oonts La, or whatever you want to say, Oonts Lane. I mean, not Oonts La, but anyway, check this out. I tripped over something, but it said parking said only for customers. So basically, what sound good, don't it? Sound like a stick manual. But it basically say only customers or whatever. So look, man, look, check this out. You see any type of tow trucks? I used to run track. I'll show you how fast I get back over here. Easy money. So look, got your El Camino joint right there. You know, with the money front grill. You see? Got a couple of your Chevys, your old Chevy. We're gonna try to see if we see who we know up here. There's a lot of OGs at this here, man. So get to these cars in a minute. Oh hell no! So look, we done goddamn waited on a whole 2 cycles of life. I'm about to break the law. I am not gonna sit here again and beam up in the sun and cook for nothing. At least I'm gonna get some walking. You know, check out some of these old wheels. Out here standing on the island, and then we have to break the law. Because the motherfuckers not finna wait again at these lights. I'll be damned. I done hit this button and it ain't working. So. Just like that, YouTube. How y'all like that, man? Got y'all some nice footage. We're not going that way. We're definitely going this way, you dig? So that's what it is. Now, give or take, if this thing give us the same problems it did over there, we're gonna have to break. Don't tell nobody else. But thank y'all for tuning in. I'm the Ginger 31 to be exact. And I'm out.